come the ladies. See if Charlie lets them stay out here. We got 3 out here. Where's the rest of the ladies? Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Charlie, don't you run them back in there. Guys, stay out here. It's warm out in here. What? No, put on back in. He didn't even do nothing to y'all. He's teasing you, beastie. Don't believe him. He don't have nothing over there. He don't. Ha 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 ha, Charlie. So I don't believe you.